So you're posting every day, you're getting tons of like, comments, and shares. Your Facebook profile is buzzing with engagements. What if I told you that hard work you're putting in your profile could actually be making you money directly from Facebook? There's a crucial setting you probably haven't turned on that's standing between you and that income. If you have a highly engaged profile, you might already qualify for Facebook monetization tools, but you're leaving that money on the table simply because you haven't flipped the right switch. In this video, I'll be showing you the exact settings you need to enable to unlock the earning potential you already built. Now, first thing you need to do is open Facebook on your mobile. Once Facebook is open, you need to enable professional mode. Now, you can tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen in this section, and it will bring you here. Or you can tap on the three horizontal line here and then tap on your profile here. You can also tap on any post you've made with your profile on it and it will also bring you here. Now once here you want to tap on the three dot on your profile and you see the option to turn on professional mode. Now tap on turn on professional mode, and some of the benefits you get with the professional mode is you get paid for your content. You get to see content insight like analytics, grow your audience, and get discovered with tagging. Tap on turn on, and this will enable the professional mode. Tap on next again, and you want to make sure that your default audience is public, and this will allow anyone to see what you share and interact with your public content. If you leave it as friends, only your friends will be able to do so, and we do not want that. We want more engagement so you can make more money. Tap on next in this section and then tap on confirm. Tap on next and then tap on next again. If you want to celebrate with a profile frame, you can tap on next. If you do not want, you can tap on skip in this section. You should now say congrats, you're ready to start using professional mode. Now tap on go to professional dashboard. Now on the professional dashboard here, you get to see your progress and achievements. So you'll be able to unlock each and every one of these as your engagement grows. Under your progress, you can tap here and choose which focus your page wants. Now when you tap on this and tap on update, it will update your task. When you go back now, you now see professional dashboard somewhere here under your friends. When you tap on this, you'll be able to view your home, insights, which is the analytics showing you how your content has performed over time. Your content section will show you all the content you've created. You'll also be able to run an A/B test. Engagement in this section, and if you scroll all the way to the extreme end, you will now see monetization. Here you find all the monetization tools that are available for you, such as the partnership ad, stars, subscription, content monetization, and store. With the partnership ad, people and business who want to use your content to promote their business will be able to reach out to you. And any partnership deals you get will appear in this section where you can accept or decline. Stars in this section allows you to earn money with stars. Now when you get stars, they'll be converted to money and paid out to your account. Subscription in this section lets followers who most love your work support you through monthly payments. It comes with predictable earning, get audience support, and flexible benefits. Content monetization allows you to earn money in stream ads. So anytime people are watching your video and scrolling, any ads that display, you get a percentage of it. And lastly, storefront allows you to earn money with creator storefronts. This allows you to unlock a new way to earn and give your profile more visibility. So what you want to do in this section here, if you're not yet eligible for some of them, you can tap on any one of them that you want to access and tap on I'm interested. You can leave a description in this section or tap on submit interest to get notified when you become eligible for that program. And you'll be able to make money using that program on Facebook. Over time, as your engagement grows, your details will start updating. So that's how to monetize your Facebook profile. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.